Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Imelda Zekwe. If this is your first time of coming, you are definitely welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are most definitely welcome. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Support your girl, show me some love, okay? Join the family and let's have fun together as one family. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to carve your eyebrow. Yes, and for the purpose of this video, I actually left my eyebrows so bushy. Like, I left it to grow and outgrow. I don't know if you can see it very well, but yeah, I did that on purpose. I left it to grow this way on purpose so I can actually achieve this video. So if you are interested in knowing how to carve your eyebrow, then you definitely need to keep on watching. Let's get right into this video. So first and foremost, if you want to carve an eyebrow, you have to have a Vaseline. So guys, I'm gonna be brushing. I think I need to come closer. So guys, I'll be using my Huda Beauty Spoolie Brush to brush up my hair before I can start carving it. Then I'm using a razor blade. So I'm using tiger razor blade for this tutorial. Now first and foremost, I'm brushing down my hair. Then I'm going in with my razor blade to carve the excess part of the brows, the excess part of the hair that is not in line with my natural brows. So guys, I'm going up to carve my brows from the edge of my forehead. Yeah, here I'm trying so hard to get an arc so that my brows wouldn't be so straight. I want it to have an arc. make sure your brows are neatly carved. You see, here I'm trying to like make everything on a straight line before getting to the arc part. So that is what I am trying to do, gently and smoothly. And yeah, this is how you can use your razor instead of a scissors to cut the excess hair. So currently this one is still looking so bushy and oh my god. So I'm still going to follow the same process I followed while doing the other part of my brows. I'm going to follow the process again in doing this other part. So guys, please follow through. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you love it. If you actually do, please give us a thumbs up. Yeah, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please don't forget to drop it on the comment section. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, subscribe to our channel. Yeah, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Imelda_makeover.